team. I'm excited to introduce our new AI-powered chatbot, MediAssist. This innovative tool will streamline communication between departments and improve efficiency within our hospital.
That sounds interesting, Dr. Mihira. How will MediAssist work?
MediAssist will be accessible through a dedicated platform. You can use it to send and receive messages, request information, and even schedule appointments. It's designed to provide quick and accurate responses to your queries.
Will MediAssist replace human interaction?
No, MediAssist is intended to supplement human interaction, not replace it. For complex or sensitive matters, direct communication with colleagues remains essential. However, MediAssist can handle routine tasks and provide immediate assistance.
Are there any privacy concerns associated with using a chatbot, Dr. Mihira?
We have implemented robust security measures to protect patient data. MediAssist will only have access to information that is necessary for its functions. Your privacy remains our top priority.
Mihira, the first thing we need to do is our standard procedure for someone with chest pain and dizziness. This involves connecting you to some monitors so we can keep a very close, continuous watch on your body. By doing this, we can figure out the most appropriate treatment for you and work towards making you feel better as quickly as possible. Now, let me explain what we'll be monitoring and why each one is important for you right now. First, we'll track your blood pressure and your heart rate because they give us vital clues about what's causing your dizziness and pain. We'll also place a small sensor on your finger to check your oxygen levels. This is completely painless and just ensures your blood is getting enough oxygen, which is crucial when we're concerned about chest pain. We'll check your temperature as well, as a fever can sometimes cause symptoms like the ones you're experiencing. And finally, Mihira, a very key test for your chest pain is an ECG. This is a simple and completely painless test where we place some soft pads on your chest and limbs. It doesn't send any electricity into you. It simply listens to the electrical rhythm of your heart and prints it out on a graph for us. This helps us see immediately if there's any strain or irregularity with your heart's function. All of this together gives us a full picture so we can help you effectively.